What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to C4 Fin Arts. Today we are going to be painting a super easy realistic crappie crankbait. If you guys find this video helpful, if you wouldn't mind helping me out, leave a comment below, like this video, and subscribe. And let me know what video you want to see next. It is now time to paint this super easy crappie crankbait. It's going to be so easy that your mom's going to say, "Wow, this was really easy. Glad you did that, son." All right, we got our crankbait blank here. To prep it, we went ahead and lightly sanded it with 600 grit sandpaper. Wiped that down with rubbing alcohol just to get all of the dust and dirt and stuff and oils off of it, and then taped off the bill. First step we're going to do is just give it a base coat of white. Alright, so for the next step, we've got some black, and then we've got sponges. We're just gonna take probably this one, dip it into the black, and then splotch it all around the bait, and that's gonna be kind of the black speckling that you see on a lot of crappie. I think I probably could have gone maybe a little bit finer on that, maybe some smaller splotches, but I think that will be good. Next step, we've got the stencil. We're going to use that for the black bars. So we'll take it out of our vise here. This is going to sound dumb, but if you heat up your stencils, if they're made out of painter's tape, it helps kind of makes them more flexible. I like to use these clips just to help weigh them down and keep it in place. Okay, so that's what we got. I realize it looks very goofy right now, but just give it a little bit and it will start looking like a crappie soon. Next color we have is yellow. We're going to use that to spray around the midsection. Basically, as we spray, it'll start kind of diluting that black, and it won't be such a dark, bold line. Alright, next up we've got this aqua blue, which is green. I don't know why it's called blue, but we're going to hit the top portion of the bait and then kind of at the tops of the cheeks. Okay, so for this next color, we just mixed some blue and white to get a really pale blue, and we're just gonna shoot that right on this top portion of the bait. Not a huge fan of how bright that is, so I got some blue that we diluted a ton, so hopefully it doesn't come spattering out, but The goal is to make it a little bit more blue. Very subtle, but I think that looks better. Okay, next step is to put on some scales. We're gonna do a pearl purple and then a gold. So first we've got purple, and we're just going to spray it this portion of the bait. For the gold, we're going to stay on this top portion of where we sprayed the purple. And that is what we're left with. Go and repeat that exact same thing on the other side. While we have it off of the vise, we're going to hit this midsection with a pearl white. Just give it some scales. While we've got white in the airbrush, we're going to go spray the belly down, which is going to dilute the black splotches we put down, and then we're also going to fade the white into the belly. Now it's starting to look like a crappie. You can see how it's really diluted the bars and the splotches that we put down, but they're still there. It's just a very subtle white crappie pattern. So the last step before putting the eyes is we're going to darken up the back with a dark green. Alright, that is it for the paint. So that is the final paint job there. So we're going to put the eyes on, which we got here, and then it will be ready for clear coat. Alright, this is what we are left with after the clear coat. You can see the clear coat kind of helps bring out the scales. I love the way it turned out. It's for sure going to catch fish. I just wanted to show you guys. So this is one I painted before. So you can see the bottom. Ow. So you can see I used a finer sponge on the belly, and it just kind of gave us a little finer speckling on it. Not that the fish are really going to care, but I think it looks better on this one. But either way, thank you guys for watching and sticking with me to the end. And I will hopefully see you in the next one.